Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the love and support for watching my videos. I'm hungry. I need to get my lunch. So let's try the street food here in Canada Water. Let's go guys. Ito yung mga for hire na bicycle. So let's check what they have here. Street foods. So what is this? It's a barber shop. Okay. It's a moving barber shop. Wow. Look guys. It's a moving barber shop. It's in the bus. Okay. I thought it's a food stall, so we'll go now and check. East African Shack.
Sorry? Do you want me to put chili for you? Yeah. Yeah? You want to try that if you like the tamarind one?
Hi, I'm just looking.
Yes. Not a lot of it.
But yeah, this is East African food. And they have free items there. And this is their menu. Ang mura lang naman. 150. They have a rice. I get the hot dog right there. I'll go back. So let's go here. This is my son like chips. Shawarma. Ay wow, gusto ko na lang ng shawarma. Shawarma na lang ako. May shawarma sila eh. Shawarma na lang guys. And burrito fajita. Let's check. Wow. It's so yummy. Tastes good. Smells good. Wow.
Hello.
Hi, hello.
Alright.
Yes, I'm fine, thank you. Smells good.
Thank you.
Chicken really good. What do we order? Burrito? Okay, burrito. This is their food specialty. Wow. I'm gonna get one barbecue burrito. Let's finish the vlogging first. And then we're gonna eat the burrito.
And all the noodles ready?
The soon. Okay. Soon.
Papaya salad. Group noodle soup. Salad. Soft drinks. What is this? The walls this of heaven everybody. So let's go the other side. Gusto ko yung burrito guys. Ang bango-bango nun. Beach. Hello! This one looks good. Let's go. Pasta.
How are you today?
Hi, I'm good. Thank
All
you.
good?
Yeah, smells good. Pasta. Spanish street food.
Any drink? Ah.
Delicious.
Color naranja ya, vete cortando más pimientos rojos. Y más pimientos rojos. Aquí los cortamos.
And one by one.
A esa, aquí hay que esperar una hora, ¿vale?
Guys, all foods are yummy. I need to finish the vlogging. I need to eat. I really need to eat. Brownies. Hello. Halal foods. Let's go. What is in here? What here? Ayan guys, nag-order ako ng burritos. Nakain na ako. Hindi ko nag-iba-vlog guys kasi gutom na ako. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And God bless us all.